So there's a big old bike path here. It looks like nice and flat. I bet I could rollerblade. I haven't done that in a while. That would be fun. That was cool. We'll go back to the original plan, which was to go to Bryce Canyon. We going to Bryce Canyon.
Have a wonderful day.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. She didn't even take my license. Illegal! Illegal! I actually have no idea where I'm going or what I want to do. I should probably pull over and think about that. Let me pour over my scrolls. Yes. Shut up, Emma. Shut up. Shut up. Okay, girl. Let's go to Sunrise Point. I take it back. You're really pretty. Not gonna lie, this kind of sucks. It's windy, my feet have been wet for hours, and it's cold, and I think it's gonna rain. There's bus. Oh my god. Oh my god. These are so wet. Oh my god. I gotta air the toes out. Holy crap. I think that I'm seeing a lot of coyote tracks. They look like dog tracks, but you know, they've got that extra little flair. They don't look like mountain lion. They don't look like cat tracks at all. So I guess I'll just keep an eye and an ear out open for coyotes. But let me show you. See it, like, I don't know. It looks like fresh coyote tracks, you know? Regardless, I'm gonna be spending the rest of the night locked in my metal box. This is just an overnight stop for me anyway. It's not really, I'm not planning on spending any real time here. I'm just looking to, you know, sleep here and then leave in the morning. So, yeah, I will catch up with you then. Bye-bye. Girl, I stayed up way too late and I woke up way too late and now I'm just exhausted. My sleep schedule's all over the place. I just switched time zones and now I'm all messed up again because of my poor decision making. I need a coffee so bad. Coffee time. Come on. Okay. I'm at a half tank of gas, so we're just pulling off for some gas. We're at Capitol Reef National Park. We're at Capitol Reef. This is so exciting. I've never been here before, and I can already tell this place is underrated as hell. This place is so gorgeous. We are stopping at the visitor center to get a patch because I have a patch collection for all of the national parks that I've been to, and I've never been here before. So we're gonna quick grab a patch and then head into the park to do a hike. It's gonna be sick. Also, check this out. Like, come on, dude. Like, come on. This place is so sick. It's so sick. Oh my god. Ooh, all right. I got my patch. Man, I love collecting these patches. I'm really sad because I didn't get one for New River Gorge. I just wasn't passing through an area where there was an open visitor center at that time of year. Rest in peace. But yeah, I've got this patch. This place is so sick. I can't believe it's as little traveled as it is. We got our Sammy. We got our Sammy amongst the rocks. It's a rock Sammy. I'm having rock Sammys. So I was just thinking about something while I was eating my sandwich. I got a lot of comments on my finances video about my grocery cost. In that video, I stated that my grocery cost was $139 a month. I also spent about $20 on like meals out. I think I spent $18 total on meals out. So I spent about $160 on food that month in general, and a lot of people were in the comments like, that's not real, that's impossible, somebody's feeding you. And I do want to say a couple things in that regard because I don't want people to associate lying with this channel or with this lifestyle. I know that a lot of people think that van lifers are just like trust fund babies to begin with, or they just have people that are putting money in their account or something. So I want to clear up how I was able to spend so little money on groceries. The way that I eat is bad. It's not good. It's not good. And I also don't want people to associate that you have to eat poorly in order to afford this lifestyle. So I want to clear up where I'm coming from, because I have been getting a lot of new attention to my videos lately, and I think that there are a lot of people that are on my channel that don't really know my history with food. I have talked about this a couple of times in the past. I struggle with finding food as a valuable expense. Like, I struggle to see food as worth spending money on. I don't eat well. I find food to be an inconvenience. I do not actively restrict. I am not somebody who has disordered eating patterns because of issues like body image or anything like that, but I do not feed myself well enough because it's a pain in the butt. Like, when I am hungry, it registers as an annoyance. Like, I have to deal with this bodily function. It's kind of like having to poop in an inconvenient place. It's like, oh my God. That's how I view hunger. Okay, so I do want to clear up also, I did leave with some pantry staples before I started shopping for that month. I had rice, I had some soups, I had honey, I had olive oil, I had not a whole lot else, maybe some beans and like a couple of like ready rice packets before I left. I wanted to come clean about this because eating for $160 a month is 100% possible if you put yourself at risk for nutrient deficiencies. It's totally possible if you eat like garbage. I eat a lot of ramen. I eat a lot of tuna. I eat a lot of canned chicken. I eat a lot of kielbasa. Kielbasa is very cheap. I eat a lot of rice. I eat a lot of oats. Oats are very cheap. And I eat some spinach. And everything other than that kind of registers to me as like a luxury item. I also eat a lot of peanut butter. Stuff like tomatoes and like fresh produce and like good meat, those are luxury items. But yeah, it's something that I know is a problem. I understand what the consequences of malnutrition are. This is a bad choice that I am making. I know that it is a bad choice. I wanted to share that I'm doing something wrong. I wanted to be completely candid and share that I'm not doing something well and I'm not doing something to standard. However, that being said, my channel has been doing a lot better recently, thanks to you guys. And I am slowly earning enough to have my savings dwindle less quickly, and hopefully soon I will be able to completely support myself on this app, and then I would feel much more comfortable spending my money on food and, doing a better job of taking care of myself. But for now, I am eating like a broke college kid. I do not encourage people to do what I'm doing to any degree. I do not endorse this kind of behavior. Don't eat like me. Spend more money on groceries, please. Please do better than me. I wanted to be honest because I'm not lying about my grocery costs, but I am also not void of critique here. I definitely am doing something a little funky here. It's just that I wasn't lying about the food costs. It's just that I'm not taking good care of myself right now. So I just wanted to be clear on that end. But yeah, we're actually gonna do this hike now. I've been sitting here for like an hour and a half just chilling. These are still wet from yesterday. Oh my God, this is gonna be really frustrating. Maybe we won't do the whole hike. I've got wet shoes, like, come on. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. Wow. Wow. This place is like if Yosemite was really angry. That's what this looks like. It looks like a really pissed off Yosemite. Holy crap. It looks so angry. It's beautiful. It's so harsh. You know when you were a kid and you were playing with Play-Doh and you just took the Play-Doh and you took a lump of it and you just squeezed it in your hand and then you let go and then the Play-Doh took on the shape of the movement of your hand? That's what that looks like. That's what this looks like. So cool.